Hello, my name is Johannes and I'm the product manager for the new Metabo multi-tool. The application that we saw before is maybe not a common application for a multi-tool, but it's possible. And it's also possible with the new Metabo cordless multi-tool. What makes this tool so special? It has the new Starlock Plus interface and a very slim and handy design. We also developed a new tool exchange system that allows you a tool change in less than 3 seconds. And I will show you that. Done. Within the new multi-tool, we also enlarged our accessory range. Today we cover all common applications on the market, which starts from diamond accessories up to wood accessories, metal accessories, scrubbing accessories, and also the very common application, sanding. When we talk about sanding, we also have to talk about dust. Therefore, Metabo developed a new dust extraction system, which is very easy and fits very well on the new tool. But this is not only a dust extraction, it's also a depth stop. I know 50 applications for this tool. Maybe you will find out even more. Go ahead, thank you, and goodbye.